Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're an oldie but goldie here, hello, how are you? I hope you've had a fantastic week. If you're new, hi there. My name's Karen. I am the owner of Nail Sugar, which is a nail art company based in the UK. And I also do some inspirational nail art videos and tutorials. So do some of my team members whose channels are linked below. So don't forget to go check those out where you'll get some more inspiration. But today the sun is shining. I have my sparkles out, my iridescent glitter, and my fruity Fimos. So I cannot wait to do this design for you guys. It's so cheery and fun. And before we get into the design, don't forget comment of the week, where each week one subscriber comment will be chosen at random to receive a little thank you gift from me to you. So hit that like button, subscribe, and it could be you. Okay, so jumping into today's design, as you can see, I have Freya all prepped. She's all ready to go. And this is my cover gel pink from Blingline. And I am starting by building out an extended nail bed. So the tips that I have in Freya, that could either be a sculpted out base or tips that have been applied to the natural nail, whatever you work with, whatever you prefer. But as you can see here, I am building out that nail bed because these nails are going to be nice and long. So we want a nice extended nail bed to make the design just look extra pretty, because it just looks a lot more aesthetically pleasing whenever you have that extended nail bed, whenever you're working with the longer designs and you're going to be doing that kind of a sort of a design of a free edge. So the cover gel pink is great for concealing any flaws over the natural nail, and it's just a beautiful colour as well too. So as you can see, I'm just sculpting that out and sort of shaping that out. Once it's been in for a cure, as I have done on all 4 nails that I'm going to be working on, I just remove that dispersion layer because we're going to be filing, and we do not want to gunk up our files by filing the dispersion layer, because you will ruin your files and nobody wants that. So as you can see, I'm just refining the shape of those smile lines. I do that along all of the 4 nails on the practice hand, and then we'll get that dusted off and we're ready to move on to the next step. Okay, so here we go. Going in with my Cool One Step gel. This is a self-leveling gel, and the reason why it's called Cool One Step is because it has a low exothermic reaction. So the heat spike is nowhere near as intense as some of the builders. As you can see, I have Appletini, which is a beautiful fine iridescent green. Green's not normally my colour, which is strange, obviously being Irish, because you would think that, you know, green, it's a big thing over here, you know. But actually green is not normally my colour, but I do love it in this kind of like bright instance. There's my fruity Fimos. I do have apply, I love them. Look at all those colours. And I've chosen sort of, each nail is going to have a different colour. But for this wee nail here, we're going to be popping on some kiwi fruits. So I'm just going to do a couple on this first layer, because we're going to go back over with a second layer of gel later on and put some more in to kind of give it a bit of depth, if you know what I mean. So that's what I love about working with gel and the clarity of it. You can just seem to get so much depth. So moving on to the next nail then, and I'm going to go in with Tangerine Dream, which is a beautiful bright orange iridescent glitter. And then I'm going to be adding some little pieces of orange. These nails just kind of, they just sort of scream like fizzy pop, orange soda, or, you know, fruit soda, that kind of thing. So they're really summery, fruity, fun nails. These would be great for holidays, you know, that just, you know, they're just so much fun. I just love stuff like this.
So there we're going in now with some Sugar Baby as well, which again is a iridescent pink, a fine iridescent. Iridescents have got to be my favourite glitter to work with. I just love those subtle colours, and obviously the more that you build them up, the more you get to see the tones come through. But they can be so soft and pastely, or else they can be really bright and fun. So we're going to go in here then with some little raspberries, and initially I thought they were pink strawberries. I was like, pink strawberries? But then I realised that there were strawberries in the little fruity Fimo pot. And I thought, no, they're not. They're not, Karen. They're raspberries, woman. You know, get your head in gear here. But anyways, there we go. We've got our raspberries on. And then lastly then, I'm going to go in with some ultraviolet, which is a beautiful purpley iridescent. And I'm going to be adding in some little grapes, I think it is on this one. And little bunches of grapes, and they're super cute. So again, once I have everything in place, I'm just going to cure that in the lamp and then work on our second layer. Okay, so now moving on to our second layer. I know it doesn't look like much at the moment. It looks a bit of a hot mess, but hang in there because it does come together the more that you work on this design. So this is the second layer, and I'm just adding in some more of those little kiwi fruits, and I'm also putting in some more of the appletini, which as you can see just kind of like builds the colour up that little bit more. And I'm doing exactly the same on the rest of the nails. On the little orange one, we're going to be adding in a few more sort of like little orange slices, and in fact one of them I've actually cut in half. The little Fimo fruits you can also cut in half, so don't be afraid to sort of trim them down if you kind of want to, you know, just add in like little bits of it. It actually looked really, really, really cute. And again, I'm going to be adding in some more tangerine dream just kind of round that smile line, just to build up that lovely orangey colour. Do you see it all just really popping now that the second layer is on? I just love that glitter. And again, there we're going in with another raspberry, and we will go in with some more Sugar Baby, and the same for the little grape nail as well too. We will do exactly the same. Okay, so now that we cured all that in the lamp, all we're going to do now is go in and encapsulate everything. And I'm just, again, taking that Cool One Step gel. I do not know why I use the Cool One Step, though, to encapsulate this, because usually it's better off with the builder, especially with a longer nail. Your clear builder is brilliant for this here because it stays put. This here is, like I say, it's very self-leveling. It is a little bit runny, so if I was to do it again, I would definitely use the builder, which is non-self-leveling. But anyways, there we go. So yeah, so there we go. We're just going to encapsulate that, go in for a cure, and then move on to our shaping and our filing and our finishing, which as you can see here, once they're cured, I'm just removing that tacky layer, that dispersion layer, and then we're going in to just file. I'm only going to do a little bit on screen, and then I'll do the rest of that off camera where I can see a bit better. And then once we have that all cleaned off with some gel cleanser, and I've brushed the nails as well too, just to make sure that they're all dust free. Don't forget to do round the back of the nails as well. These are really long nails, and you want to get as much dust off as you can. And then finally then I'm going in with some top coat. And although I don't sort of show all the top coat, but I just thought I would show a little bit, because who doesn't love a top coat moment? It just brings everything to life. And then we'll have a look then at the finished result. Ta-da! There we go, guys. That is our fruity Fimo nails. All done and finished, and I love them. I think they're so much fun. I think they're really bright and cheery and summery, and yeah, I would definitely wear these. So I hope you enjoyed this week's design. It was just something a little bit fun. difference. So yeah, so there we go. So don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, leave me a little comment down below, and thank you so much indeed for all your support. And don't forget, you could be picked for comment of the week. But have a good one, guys, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.